Here is how to remove Meta AI from WhatsApp. So first, you need to go ahead and open your WhatsApp application on your mobile device. Then simply search for Meta AI from the search screen in the top. Go ahead and access the chat. You should find the Meta AI or AI Assistant option there. The exact wording may differ based on your WhatsApp version. Toggle off or disable the Meta AI feature if it's available. If you don't see the option, you can go ahead and tap on the three dots in the top right corner of your screen, and here tap on mute notifications. Then tap on always and tap on OK to confirm, and you'll be done. If you can't find the option, you can update your WhatsApp application from the Play Store if you're using Android and the App Store if you're using iPhone. And after updating, the option to remove Meta AI should be available, or you can just simply go ahead and mute it. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.